In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Temu app on your phone, including the complete sign-up process. So let's get started. First, open the App Store for iPhone or the Google Play Store for Android. In the search bar, type Temu and tap the search button. Look for the official Temu app and tap Get or Install. If prompted, confirm the download using your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Now, let's go through the sign up process. Tap Register. You'll see different options to create your account. You can sign up using your email address or continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, depending on your device. Choose the option you prefer. I'm going to select Google, so tap on the Continue with Google button. Now, choose your Google account and tap Continue. After that, your Temu account will be successfully created and you can start browsing products, adding items to your cart, and placing orders. And that's it.